Hello and welcome. I would like to introduce Autonomous Instruments, an AI startup for embedded cybersecurity and safety. Our product is Cpyr, aiming the contextual understanding of vehicle situation through harnessing the power computer vision to detect the driver, passenger and traffic status, plus the power of deep packet inspection to detect anomalies at the inter-vehicle communication. And finally detecting V2X communication anomalies and sending all these edge data over the cloud along with the live video streaming capabilities. Our motive: autonomous features help in avoiding many accidents. However, over-reliance of autonomous features could cause accidents, for example due to wrong sensor perception. As this study suggests, autonomous vehicles tend to be subjected to more accidents at unsafe speeds and following too closely use cases. In order to mitigate such hazards, we need to predict collision, which would alert the driver to smoothly take over. Avoid AI single point of failure due to false positives, through fusing multiple models running on independent inputs like vision, vehicle buses communication and wireless communication. Predict security threats that weren't accommodated during cyber design of cars. So what Cpyr offers is prediction collision based on driver and traffic vision. Hence Cpyr could coach the driver during critical traffic. Driver vehicle DNA, detecting driver behavior changes. Mobile video streaming, we can stream to our mobile app through the cloud for fleet management and mobility as a service. And last, video on demand for insurance claims. Combining those services will lead a complete contextual understanding and extortion at any false claims to the driver. Solution is combining traffic elements detection with driver awareness detection, plus vision anomaly, and fusing all the vision data with the inter-vehicle communication context, and feeding it to our AI model to predict collision. Installation is simple. Invite a Jetson board connected to up to 8 webcams, which will be connected to all corners of the vehicle to establish a 360-degree coverage of the vehicle. And from our mobile app, you just select the vehicle from the fleet and request the data in the video stream. Our technology: NVIDIA DeepStream SDKs plus our PyTorch or Tensor AI models running on Jetson board, but of course we can accommodate other embedded ARM-based boards. Our backend cloud service is Microsoft Azure. So the expected cost of operation is the Cloud Azure Service subscription, where the fleet maintenance could be done over the air updates. Finally, regarding the cameras, we can work with cheap $20 camera and up to 4K cameras, so overall the solution could cost around $120. Let's go to our testing scenarios. In order for our model to get trained, we use EuroNCAP. For example, this one is for lane keep assist, extracted from EuroNCAP standard. Plus we use the SOTIF to feed such scenarios with cybersecurity threats and safety hazards use cases, generating from one single EuroNCAP use case, multiple scenarios. So let's go to our first demo. The two graphs show the scoring. The above one is for vision anomaly and the below is for the deep packet inspection anomalies. So let's see our hardware in the loop simulation. We see here a reckless driving scenario. He is swaying back and forth at the lane. We see TE vision anomaly is giving very high scores, however the bus anomalies is scoring low. However, when we insert a CAN fuzz attack disabling the LKA, there is a strong spike at the bus scoring, plus TE vision anomaly scoring is telling that isn't a normal driver behavior. And combining bot H scoring from different independent inputs that something must be wrong in this specific point of time and eliminate false positives alarms. Now let's go to our second demo. On a real-life scenario here, the vision anomaly is providing high scores when it detects alerting situations due to reckless driving from neighboring vehicles. For example, the black car overtook our path, resulting at high scores and warning the driver not to depend on autonomous features. So this is what we offer: a complete contextual understanding of the situation from vision and communication real time. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Please feel free to contact us, and we hope to see you at TE World Congress Conference and NVIDIA GT 2021.